Hello. Since I'm doing the pipeline that right now, I have some colleagues who went to my former college, and I have some former teachers also. When it comes down to it, the pipeline that interested in is music. I choose two musicians right now. One is 17 and one is Stray Kids. I use this for my mechanical engineering. I did had a rough time doing mechanical engineering because it's a prerequisite to get into the civil engineering world. So I ended up drawing what does mechanical engineering and civil engineering means. I do have a minor in chemical engineering, since civil engineering is it's a wide it's a wide persona, and we have to choose which one do we picked out. I choose environmental engineering. This would conclude the EPA and OSHA. I've been doing construction management because I have some relatives who understand what does construction management does, and what does construction do for a living. This would be another brand name for construction managers. When it comes down to project managers, I am more focused on getting to know the meaning of programming, and the meaning of chemical engineer, since we're more focused on what does a mechanical engineering does. So it looks like I did a pipeline for the mechanical engineering part. The mechanical engineering part is the flow of the water that circulates the pipeline, and that's the mechanical engineering part. When it comes down to it, the mechanical engineering could lead into world of explorations, such as um, hydrology, which is the study of clouds, uh, or the study of climate changes. I understand. I do did a hydrology before the study of climate changes. That will be lead into the how rain started, and how it circulates into much of the levees, the puddles, the something that relates to aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is pretty interesting. I did learn it in structural analysis, and when it comes down to it, I've been doing more artwork for mechanical engineering. I also do more artwork for musicians also. So hopefully my one of my colleagues are very good in art, because she is um, um, a transportation, and when it comes down to transportation, this would lead into each of the system, how transportation would lead into surveying, how it circulates more on acceleration and deceleration. As for musicians right now, they're leading into majority of electrical engineering. As for me, I've 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 done very briefly on electrical engineering. This would include the second law of Newton. This would lead into each spectrum, and it also lead into the formation of getting to know the difference between how electrical engineering parts transpire each of the ohms and resistors, because each of the ohms and resistors are the ones that it's it's important for me to figure out the frequencies of musicians. Um, as for construction management, I'm leading into the clients. The clients right now will lead into sculptures. Sculptures could lead into biology and chemistry. And when it comes down to it, I am more towards chemistry, because usually chemistry are the essence of getting to know which object that you trying to make. Like for example, baking soda and cupcakes. This would be another way to understand baking soda and cupcakes. How cupcakes will lead into the baking soda, and how it manufacture each of the realms of Food Network. And so when it comes down to sculptures, each of the models that I use have significant others of getting to know the difference of what is the meaning of sculptures. When it comes down to sculptures, I got a chance to do the bathroom design, a cake decoration, and also a fundamental way of getting to know the construction and management of a wall. So when it comes down to wall design, I always think of getting to know the difference between the sculptures of all these fashion designers, such as the bracelets that I adore in Pandora, and the fragrance that I adore. So this would be another way of saying the word lovely and lust. And these are the sculptures that I combine into when it comes down to each of the drawings. So this would be another way to understand it. Each of the momentum that I use for a particular singer, which is renamed Nameless, because there was rumors about his past. So I'm looking through it, and this would be another great way of having each of the sculptures that I'm interested in. So this would be another good opportunity. And that's about it. So hopefully this will lead into all the characteristics that I am interested into: music, food, Food Network, and other priorities towards becoming a engineer.